students, ang topic natin ngayon ay tungkol sa real numbers. At the end of the video, the students should be able to illustrate real numbers and its subsets. Please like, share, and subscribe to Ma'am Desma Tutorials. Hit the notification bell button to alert you for our next video lessons. Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng real number? Comprise of any number that you can think or use in everyday life. It is the compilation of all types of numbers. So, ito po yung mga numbers na ginagamit natin sa araw-araw. So, pinagsama-sama iba't ibang klase ng numbers. Each real number represents a unique number along the number line. So, lahat po ng numbers sa real numbers ay pwede nating ilagay or i-plot sa number line. On the real number line, a point corresponds for every real number and a real number corresponds for every point. Rational and irrational numbers together. So, ayan. So, ang real numbers ay pinagsama pong rational and irrational numbers. Ito po yung Venn diagram ng real numbers. So, ito yung mga components ng real numbers. We have rational numbers and irrational numbers. In rational numbers composed of integers, whole numbers, and natural numbers. So let us have the subsets of real numbers. Number 1, natural or counting numbers. These are the numbers that we use in counting, that is, start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. The 3 dots, called ellipses, indicates that the pattern continues indefinitely. So here are the 3 dots. Ayan. So we can call this as ellipses. It indicates the pattern continues indefinitely. So, ibig sabihin, yung pagbibilang po natin ay walang katapusan. Next, this set is also called the set of positive whole numbers and the set does not include 0. So kapag natural or counting numbers, hindi po kasali ang 0. Saan mag-start? Mag-start po tayo sa 1. The next one are whole numbers. These are the numbers consisting of the set counting numbers and 0. Start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Okay, so ang whole numbers, tandaan po natin, ito ay magsisimula sa 0. Integers. The set of natural numbers commonly called the positive integers, their opposites, and 0. Next one, rational numbers. These are numbers that can be expressed as the quotient of 2 integers, a over b, provided that b is not equal to 0. Ang ibig pong sabihin natin, ang rational numbers ay yung mga number na pwede nating isulat as fraction, and then yung denominator ay hindi po dapat 0. These include terminating decimals and repeating non-terminating decimals. Example, we have 2/3, 4.35, 0, -8, -5/4, 5 and 1/6, square root of 36, 1, 14, and the repeating decimal, 0.33. Okay, so pansinin po natin ang mga example ng rational numbers. Ito po ay mayroong fractions, meron siyang decimals, meron ding integers, meron din pong non-integers. This one, -5/4. Merong mixed numbers. Okay. Square root of 36, 1, 14, okay, positive numbers or counting numbers or whole numbers, okay, and then the repeating decimals. Irrational numbers are numbers that cannot be expressed as a quotient of 2 integers. So, hindi mo ito pwedeng isulat as fraction. It includes non-terminating, okay, and non-repeating decimals. Okay, cannot be expressed as either terminating or repeating decimals. However, you can use a calculator to find their decimal approximation. So, di ba tanda po natin noong mag-approximate tayo ng square root of a number. So, pwede rin po nating gamitin ang calculator para mahanap yung square root ng irrational numbers. So, here are the examples of real numbers. Okay? So, magsumala tayo sa rational numbers and irrational numbers. Okay? So, we have here the examples of rational numbers. Okay? And then, under irrational numbers, meron po tayong non-integers and also integers. Okay? So, kung napapansin natin dito, ang non-integers po ay yung mga fraction na may um, negative sign and also yung walang negative sign. Okay? So, yung positive na fraction at yung negative na fraction. Okay? Or basta fractions, it involves in integers. Okay? For the integers naman, of course, meron po tayong negative, meron tayong zero, and then positive numbers. Okay, next. For the negative numbers, so alam na po natin, kapag negative numbers, meron po siyang sign. Okay, next. For the whole numbers, so ang integers po ay binubuo ng negative numbers at saka po ng whole numbers. Okay? Kasali po sa whole number, syempre, ang zero. Ayan. Okay, and then we have the positive integers. So again, whole numbers po yun. Okay, and then zero, and then natural counting numbers. So, yung natural counting numbers po natin ay nagsisimula sa 1, as I've mentioned a while ago. Okay? So, ulitin ko, ano yung mga components ng real numbers? Simulan natin dito sa baba. Meron po tayong 0 at saka natural counting numbers. So, pag pinagsama yung natural at 0, okay, so meron po tayong whole numbers. Okay? Pag pinagsama naman ang whole numbers at saka negative, meron po tayong tinatawag na integers. Okay? And then, yung integers at saka non-integers, meron po tayong tinatawag na rational numbers. Okay? And then, yung real numbers po ay pinagsamang rational numbers at saka irrational numbers. Sa activity, i-post po ang video at pwedeng sagutan ang mga given na ito. Okay. Next activity, classify the given real numbers by writing them in proper regions of the Venn diagram. So, lahat po ng given na ito, 1 to 10, isulat po kung saan ang tamang pwesto dito sa Venn diagram sa kanan. Let us end our video from a math code. Set your goals high and don't stop until you get there. By Bo Jackson. Thank you for watching and please support Ma'am Desma tutorial. See you on my next video. Bye-bye!